Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's Imani here. We're gonna be doing a very unconventional Valentine's Day look today. I've been killing y'all with the pink and the pink and the pink and also red, but today I want to give you more of a date night inspired Valentine's Day look. I'm also gonna be telling you how you could get your makeup to last all night, so you would want to go along with me. This is a full face tutorial. You know, if this is your first time watching Lip Beat, welcome, and if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, let's jump into the video. So I'm gonna start off with the silicone free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules. This moisturizer is so hydrating and it doesn't make your skin oily. We're gonna let that soak in. I like to put my primer on first and then I start with my brows. Okay, so I just got my brows waxed today, so it's gonna be super easy to fill them in. I'll be back. The brows are done, and then we're gonna go into the Aina palette, and I'm gonna be taking edges. I love to use edges as my first transition color. If you want to ensure that this will stay on even longer, you could have put down a base on your eyes. Honestly, I forgot to put the base down, but I like to use the Fenty Beauty Amplified Eye Primer, but I definitely forgot. Then I'm gonna go in with Credit. For the brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use Soleil. So for the lids, I'm gonna be using the Pure Quick Pro Glitter Eye Polish in Midnight Diamond. So it looks like this, and I got this from Pure, I think like 2 Christmases ago. Yeah, so you know, it came in a little set with 4 other eye polishes. Now there's really an art to putting this on, and I think I am actually going to use the Fenty Beauty Amplified Eye Primer before I put it down so that it doesn't get everywhere. If you don't do some type of adhesive or primer with this, the glitter is gonna be all over your eye, or all over your face I should say. And I'm not gonna wait too long because I want the primer to still be kind of tacky, and I put a little bit of the polish on my hand, and then I'm just going to place it there right on my lid. These colors are just beautiful. It's kind of like a green with black and blue and gold shimmer. So nice. So this eye look that I'm doing is the same look that I had in my Jamaica vlog for the wedding, and I thought that this would be just as nice for Valentine's Day, right? So we got it all over the eye, and then we're just gonna do the next eye. And of course you could use any liquid glitter you so choose. Stila has liquid glitter. I think Huda also has like a liquid shimmer. So yeah, there are a lot out on the market. You don't have to get these pure ones. I don't even know if they're still available, to be honest. Okay, so the eyes are semi done. Now we're gonna move back to the face. For primer, we're gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip. This primer is really good for blurring pores and helping with the longevity of your makeup. So I have a couple of foundations that are really good for staying long and being matte. I do have oily skin, so I'm catering this to oily skin girls out there. Now the MAC Pro Long Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, y'all, is the most long-wear foundation that I have. I have to do a full MAC video because MAC is still life, okay? MAC is still life. I don't even know if I have enough in here to do my entire face, so I'm squeezing it until it's the last drop. But I am in the shade NW50. This is the deepest shade, unfortunately. That's the only thing I don't like about this foundation. It doesn't go any darker than this, which is ridiculous. And I'm using the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. Of course, you know, I don't need a lot of coverage, so I don't put on a lot of the foundation, but you could definitely conceal and do all that good stuff. This is also a very full coverage foundation, so it's gonna cover. And if it doesn't cover, you know, you could color correct and do all that good stuff. Now I really like to use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer in the shade Golden when I want that added highlight. This formula is very thick and creamy, so it really gives you a beautiful highlight under your eyes, and it truly covers bags. Then to set the under eye, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty Powder and Cashew. I'm not baking, lightly pressing that powder under my eye, and it gives the smoothest under eye. The smoothest under eye. And I'm gonna bronze my forehead, just my forehead, and I'll contour the rest of my face. That has been like a secret trick for me because I have hyperpigmentation on my forehead, so I don't like to contour up there, but I do like to give it a little bronze. And I'm going to contour with this shade from the Saharan 1 blush palette. I'm actually gonna mix two blushes. I have Burnt Orange from Sacha and Wendy too. We're gonna mix these. Oh, and I didn't say, if you want to keep your brows on all night, make sure and put a brow gel. Then we're gonna do highlight, Becca Topaz. So to kind of complete this look, I'm gonna put this beautiful blue from Colourpop, y'all, it just fell out of the pan, called Lockfully. I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line, very close to the lash line. The look is coming together. So now we just need to choose our lipstick, and since it's Valentine's Day, though we didn't do a very traditional like pinky or ready look, we're gonna add red lipstick. So I really like gloss, so I'm gonna be using Cajun Spice from Lena Lashes, and this is a very red opaque gloss. If you're looking for this type of gloss, I would definitely recommend Lena Lashes because it's opaque and glossy at the same damn time. It really gives me like cherry blossom vibes from Colored Rain in a gloss form. I think Colored Rain even have a gloss form of cherry blossom, just that this is a tad deeper than cherry blossom. So this is the final look. If you follow these steps, your makeup is gonna last all night. Maybe if you want the lips to last all night for real, you would use a matte liquid lip, but I love gloss. I had to add some type of gloss to this look. Oh, totally forgot to mention, I have this lip product from Patchology. It's called Lip Service, and you know, I wanted to really love it. I did, and in some ways I do love it. However, I think it's a bit too pricey for what you get. It reminds me of a Bath and Body Works lip gloss that I had a while back. It was minty, it was sweet. It kind of reminds me a lot of that. It's a balm treatment. It retails for $15. This little tube is $15, y'all. It says your lips deserve a tune-up. Once slicked on, this gloss slowly melts into a soothing treatment balm to nourish, condition, and protect delicate skin against dryness. And the treatment layers provide 2 levels of protection: a physical barrier plus an actives barrier rich with antioxidants and provitamins for continued protection. I wouldn't really agree with that all the way because my lips kind of still felt dry. It kind of moisturized my lips, but it always felt like it was sitting on top of my lip and not absorbing into my lip a little bit to make it more supple and plushy. So I wouldn't like 100% recommend this. It is a cute packaging. You kind of just squeeze it up and it comes through some little holes up there for $15. I'm not about that light, but if you are in love with Patchology, if you really like a minty gloss, then I would definitely recommend trying it out. And I have a coupon code. I'm going to put it in the description box below. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. Very unconventional but still cute. Okay, you don't have to do pink and red. I was kind of killing it with pink and red, I wouldn't lie, but I was like, okay, let me try something a little different, something for more of a date night, Valentine's, you know, not Galentines. This is for you and your boo. Okay, like you want to wear your glitter, you want to make sure it's not all over your face, you want to make sure that your face stays on all night because you know you're gonna be going all night. So yeah, this is the look for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope that it was helpful. Let me know in the description box below if you have any tips for keeping your makeup on all day. I think the foundation that you use is very important. This one from MAC, wow, it's amazing. If you haven't tried this foundation, you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend it. Even if you don't have oily skin, I will still recommend the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation by MAC. Check this out. I'm actually going to repurchase this because it's almost done. And that's it guys. You know you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night guys. Bye.